You are going to love the 2024 3500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, daytime running lights, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, front suspension classification, solid live axle, braking assist.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.